Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you the authentic method of making the very popular creamy and decadent pistachio spread or pistachio cream, which is the main ingredient of the viral Dubai Kunafa chocolate. This Italian originated cream spread has been used traditionally as a breakfast spread over toasted breads or pancakes or filling in croissants or as a topping on ice creams or blended with breakfast smoothies. Now, without further ado, here is the recipe. I have taken 150 grams of unsalted pistachios. These pistachios should be blanched, to easily remove the skin. Hence, put them in a pan with boiling water and let it rest for 1 minute. After 1 minute, switch off the stove and drain them with a colander and transfer them into a bowl of ice water and leave it for 2 minutes. This method, stops further cooking and preserves that vibrant green color of the pistachios, and the skin, they get peeled off easily. Now again drain them and peel off the skin. We need to remove that extra moisture from the pistachios as we are going to dry roast them. Remove the extra moisture by rubbing them with a kitchen cloth like this. This is an important step as moist nuts they get stuck in the pan while toasting them. Now done, we can start toasting them. Take a pan and toast them over a slow flame for 1 minute. Don't over toast, otherwise they would turn brown. Toasting the nuts would bring out the natural oil and flavor, giving us that silky and creamy textured spread. Now keep them aside. Take a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter gets melted, add half a cup of full fat milk and 150 grams of chopped white compound chocolate. Mix well and cook over a slow flame till the chocolate gets melted and gets dissolved completely in the milk. Now switch off the stove and let it turn warm. Now transfer the toasted pistachios into a blender jar and add a pinch of salt and blend at a high speed without adding even a drop of water. The toasted nuts would release the oil and helps to blend the nuts to a smooth paste. So you need to keep removing the mixer lid, mix the nut paste on and off and keep blending till the nuts get ground completely without any residue. Now it's done. You can see the sheen in the paste. It's because of the pistachio oil. Now pour in the warm white chocolate milk into the blender in 2 batches and grind well. Now the mixture is too thick and doesn't fall off from the spoon. So this is not the correct texture to be used as a spread. Hence add half a cup of full fat milk at room temperature and blend it again. Now we've got the perfect creamy, silky and delicious pistachio spread. We have not added any food color in this spread. Now transfer it into an airtight container. This quantity of ingredients has yielded 500 grams of pistachio spread. The texture, taste, creaminess is really out of the world. You can refrigerate this and use it within 3 days, or if you want to store for a long time, you can freeze it and thaw it and use it. If it turns thick because of the white chocolate, blend it again and you can use it. Friends, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share it with your family and friends, and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.